That's where you get the money. You get the results on step 4. But they never master step number 3. So many people, Forex and millionaire dreams, die because they never master step number 3. Family, it's your boy vicsvibes, and I just want to come to you guys and let you know that this is about to be a jam-packed weekend. Starting off with our Wednesday link up, man. We're about to bring a lot of our traders together midweek. Go ahead, look at the live market, look at the charts, go ahead and break some things down so that people are very comfortable when they're on their own time. With this room, I'm gonna be honest, I could bring up 10 people easy. And I could flip through every single currency pair and give each one of them 5 seconds to make a decision. Bro, they will be able to tell you what type of position they'll take or none at all. It's because their subconscious mind can pick up the pattern in a millisecond. Versus I just talked to a young lady who's 2 months in. She said, yo, Vic, I ain't gonna lie. I looked at a trade the other day. It took me maybe 25 minutes to get into the trade. That was a couple weeks ago. Today, she told me, yo, Vic, I made a $2 day. And when I got into this trade, it took me less than 4 minutes. That's subconsciously level learned skill.
You don't want to be comparing the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar when everybody else is looking at the New Zealand dollar versus the Japanese yen, okay? So make sure that's the first thing you do. And you also want to make sure that your payout is 70% or higher.
You guys know we're just time-based trading. You want to make sure you're looking at the most frequent trades. So one that's like says right now, a minute ago, that's a good trade. You see what I'm saying?
Please make some noise for Miss Ashley Vance and Kelly Carroll, please. Okay. If I'm standing at this key level right here, this me. That boy clean. All right? If I'm standing at this key level, I only have 2 directions I can go. What are the 2 directions? Up and down. The very first phase is going to be learning the language of this game. I mean, the vocabulary is very extensive. Support, resistance, name some things. What's some lingo that you know the average American doesn't know?
Consolidation.
Consolidation.
Leverage.
Pips, leverage. Fractal. Lot size. Spread. MT4. Broker. Double top. Double top. Head and shoulder. Bottom.
Bollinger Bands.
Head and shoulder. So it's a lot of language to this game. All right. One of the first phases is learning the language. All right. The second thing is once you've learned the language, once you've seen it, you have to now apply the skill. Okay. You actually got to go and press some buttons. You have to do this thing yourself. All right. What I like to think of this as, this is pattern recognition. And I want us to all cognizantly understand that pattern recognition is not a conscious level learned skill. Okay, so that's number 2. Number 3, that third phase is mastering your emotions behind the game. You can learn the language, you can apply the skill. The worst thing you could do is learn the language, apply the skill, see some success, because step 3 is a bully. Most people that learn the language, right, they apply it a little bit, and then they go to step 4, which is results. That's where you get the money. You get the results on step 4. But they never master step number 3. So many people, Forex and millionaire dreams, die because they never master step number 3. You got to master your emotions behind this.
Re-enter. What usually happens with traders is y'all hit the stop loss and y'all, I ain't trading. Man, I ain't trading the whole rest of the week. You know what I mean? Jacked up. That's how we be acting. That was me. Because you probably over leveraged on that first Ethereum trade because you really thought that one was going to go. You thought that was going to be the one. This the one you said, Nick? Simpson? Bet. Going a whole account.
Hey, rent due in the week. Where his key level is actually take profit 3 for the trade that got called out. I know you didn't beat that. Now let's give it up for that.
Y'all know I do the blue screenshot, so we go over this daily. But, you know, something that I could take back to my camp on some student development is the 4 phases of trading.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's give it up for that one.
Man, that man called me. He said, "Let me tell you something, G, man. Hey, I don't know about this, yo. Like, it just kept going down." I swear to God, I was like, bro, I swear it's not that bad. But he good now. He having.
You going to put yourself in a position where you can get the winning end of the stick, the larger end of the stick. Don't let yourself get the short end of the stick every time.
So to her point, I really want to re-emphasize what Ashley said about positioning yourself. Make sure we spend this time kind of mingling before you head out. Real talk. I want us to really like grab each other's contact, grab an Instagram or something like that, so that you actually can level up, bro. This is it's a team sport. You gonna go by yourself and trade, but like she said, leveraging other people's experiences and perspectives, take it to a whole nother level, man, for sure.